In today's tutorial, we will learn how to add sequence series without dragging the number. So I use equal sequence and then I want to add up to 20 and then close the bracket, then press enter. So now you can see automatically add sequence series up to 20. So this is one way to add dynamically series, and another way is also very simple. So it will add sequence number with text. So I use equal and then sequence, and then within the sequence function I use count a. So it will count the text with sequence number, and then I add the text area where we add tax of our company. So now I add, let's suppose this is Hamad word, and then you can see the sequence number will automatically added. Now Assad word will also added sequence number. So again I usually, so guys, this is actually the method, the way we can add dynamically and sequence number, sequence series without text as well as within text. So this is two method we discuss here. So guys, if you like my video, then subscribe my channel for more setup of videos for tricks in Excel.